Welcome guys. In this video we are going to install and set up Visual Studio Code, which is an IDE, an integrated development environment, and it helps you to programming. As the first step, navigate your browser to code.visualstudio.com/download. Then click on the Windows button. If you have Windows version 7, 8 or 10, you are ready to go. When the download is finished, open it. It may ask whether we want to run this file. Yes, we'd like to, so press Run. Then you have to accept the license and click on Next button. We can set up the location. I will go with the default location. I'm also okay with the default start menu settings, so I can click on the Next button. Here we can select additional options. The only one you should have is the Add to Path option, and go to the next screen, where we can start the installation process. The installation is finished, so you can close the wizard and it will start Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code is running, and before we do anything else, we will install a Python extension. Search for Python extension, and we are looking for the most popular one, which is the first hit, and it is built by Microsoft. As the next step, we are going to install this Python extension. When it is finished, we can close the extension tab. Head to the File menu to create a new source code file. Save it, name it as main.py, and then type print hello world. And finally, execute your Python code. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.